How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa, and I've got a special 2024 for you today. This is brand new for the year from Keystone RV. It's the Arcadia Select 27 SBH. The Arcadia Selects are more compact, lightweight, and smaller fifth wheel, but it doesn't mean it skips out on all the amenities. The 27 SBH is equipped with double over double bunks, a large U-shaped dinette with a full kitchen, tri-fold sofa, and tons of storage space. And oh yeah, it's also equipped with solar still. This one's awesome, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Step inside and you'll be pleasantly surprised by the spacious feel. The living area boasts plush seating with ample natural light pouring in through the large windows. The modern and well-equipped kitchen features stainless steel appliances, large seamless countertops, and plenty of storage space for all your culinary needs. Nestled right beside the kitchen is the sleek entertainment center, equipped with a 40-inch smart TV and a 12-volt AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3 Bluetooth player. The spacious U-shaped dinette offers a delightful setting for meals, ensuring everyone can gather comfortably. It also effortlessly transforms into a bed, providing sleeping space for two. Additionally, the tri-fold sofa adds another layer of convenience, accommodating two more sleepers when converted into a bed as well. This smart combination of functionality and flexibility ensures that your dining and sleeping needs are met with equal care and comfort. The rear bunkhouse is the perfect place for your kids to get some rest and be ready for the next day's adventures. Wide double over double bunks with a 300-pound capacity will ensure they'll be comfortable and not complaining about being smushed, and even gives you the ability to put two small kids on one bunk if you've got quite a few. A little bonus here is a third mattress under the bunks that can serve as yet another place for your kids to sleep, or just use it as storage. No need to compromise on convenience here. The bathroom is not only stylish, but also functional, featuring a spacious shower, a vanity with storage, spacious medicine cabinet, and even a porcelain toilet. The ample storage throughout ensures you can bring along all of your essentials and then some. The master bedroom is a true oasis of comfort, with a cozy queen-size bed and a plethora of storage solutions, including underbed storage that lifts up and allows your items to be out of sight and out of mind. This bedroom truly makes you feel at home. This RV also features the exclusive Keystone Hyperdeck floor, a high-performance water-resistant innovation that redefines RV flooring. Unlike traditional wood, Hyperdeck uses 100% inorganic materials, ensuring unmatched water resistance and durability. Its fiberglass reinforced polypropylene layers boost strength, reduce weight by up 25% for easy towing, and resist wear over time. Enhanced screw retention, insulation, and noise dampening add to its advantages. First impressions matter, and the Arcadia Select surely knows how to make one. Its aerodynamic profile not only looks stunning, but also enhances fuel efficiency while towing. The beautiful paint finish adds a touch of elegance to its exterior, setting it apart from the rest. The beautiful new Arcadia logo looks amazing on the side with the mountains, and the brand new silver decals really add to that touch of elegance. The outdoor experience is key, and the 27 SBH does not disappoint. With its power awning and outdoor speakers, you can effortlessly extend your living space to the great outdoors. Crafted for durability and longevity, the Arcadia Select boasts laminated sidewalls with a robust 5-sided aluminum superstructure. On top, the Alpha Superflex roof membrane comes with a limited lifetime warranty, providing ultimate peace of mind against the elements. Below, it features a heated and enclosed underbelly, ensuring you'll be comfortable in any weather. Large pass-through storage ensures you can bring that extra luggage and gear that you can't pull off with other campers. The front storage is where you'll find your spare tire, as well as your solar controller for the 220-watt rooftop solar panel. That's all part of the new Solar Flex 220 package. This is a new upgrade for 2024, which gives you 220 watts of solar opposed to the 200 watts it used to be. This one also has an on-demand hot water heater, so you won't be worrying about constantly turning the shower on and off to save water with this one. You'll have endless hot water. On the rear door side, it's got a storage compartment that leads under the bunks, which, like I mentioned earlier, can be used as another sleeping area or storage with access from the inside or outside. Overall, this one is a great option if you're looking for a smaller, lightweight fifth wheel, but you don't want to skip out on the amenities because this one's still got them. And most importantly, you're not going to break the bank to get this one. If you want to learn more, come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in Bluegrass, Iowa, because we've got these ones in stock now with other 2024s, and we've got tons more 2024s on the way. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because I got tons more videos for 2024 coming your way. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.